Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete your Steam account on your PC. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. So feel free to watch the video to the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is go to any browser you want, or you can do this on your app of your PC as well, but I'm gonna do it on my browser. Just follow the steps on your app as well, because it's going to be literally the same. So on your browser, simply go ahead and search for Steam and click on the first link which says welcome to Steam, and as you can see, I'm on this page. Make sure you are logged in into your account, and once you are logged in, then only you can go ahead and delete your account. So as you can see, I am logged in into my account. Now I want to go ahead and click on my profile name on the top right of my screen. Go ahead and do that on yours as well, and now simply click on account details right over here. And now all you have to do is go ahead and scroll all the way down, and you'll see there is a delete my Steam account button. Go ahead and click on that, and finally, once you have done that, you want to simply click on proceed to account deletion, and then it will say what was the first email you used on this account, provide a phone number from your account, and then you'll also have to enter any reason that you are deleting it. That is about it, and you can simply go ahead and click on send, and this application will be sent to the Steam team, and basically they will delete your account in a couple days. So that is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.